there, I'm Dorothy the Organizer, and I have 3 simple tips for you to create sacred space in your bedroom. Tip number 1, make your bed, and make your bed every day, because once you make your bed, you're already getting organized first thing in the morning, and you can build on that momentum. Tip number 2, do something with the nightstand. Declutter it, because it's just nasty to wake up to and go to bed to. You want sacred space. And finally, tip number 3, use some hooks. Get everything up and off the floor. As I like to say, on the floor no more. Can't you just feel it? Yeah, it's sacred. We made the bed, we cleared the nightstand, and we got everything up on hooks. It's that easy. 3 simple steps, and you've got a sacred space. Congratulations. I'm Dorothy the Organizer, and you can visit me at dorothytheorganizer.com.